Alright, so you're in the market for a running watch that's going to keep up with your active lifestyle. Look no further than the Garmin Forerunner series. Now hold up, especially if you're new to the running game or just enjoy a casual jog, the Forerunner 165 might just be your go-to. But if you're looking for a bit more oomph, the Forerunner 265 or even the 255, for those budget-conscious folks, could be your jam. So, let's dive into a little head-to-head between the 165 and 265. Starting with the looks, both sport a similar vibe, but the 265 does come in a tad larger size, unless you opt for the S variant, which is even smaller than the 165. They're both tough cookies, made from fiber-reinforced polymer, but the 265 throws in Corning Gorilla Glass, while the 165 sticks with chemically strengthened glass. When it comes to display, both watches feature vibrant AMOLED screens. However, if you're keen on a MIP display, you might want to check out the Forerunner 255 series. The 165 rocks a 1.2 inches screen, while the 265 goes slightly bigger at 1.3 inches, and the 265S at 1.1 inches. Now, under the hood, both these bad boys pack a punch in the sensor department. Think compass, altimeter, accelerometer, and more. It's worth noting that the heart rate monitor on both watches is Garmin's Elevate V4 optical heart rate sensor. However, the 265 edges out with its ability to link to cycling power meters, making it a solid choice for multi-sport enthusiasts. Moving on to sports tracking and training analysis. The Forerunner 265 shines with its multisport mode, allowing you to track various activities seamlessly. In contrast, the 165 lacks this feature. Additionally, the 265 offers more detailed training analysis, including Garmin's training status insights and a training readiness score. On the other hand, the 165 provides a more basic experience, but still offers valuable insights like HRV status overnight and estimated VO2 max. Even though there's a price gap, both watches pack a punch with cool features like AMOLED display, race-adaptive training plans, wrist-based running power and dynamics, training effect, courses, morning reports, pulse ox, sleep monitoring, and Garmin Pay. It's pretty awesome that Garmin offers all this at a lower cost. GPS-wise, the 265 boasts dual-band GPS for maximum accuracy, while the 165 relies on all systems on GPS, which is still accurate but may falter in dense urban environments. Battery life is a consideration too. While both watches hold up well, the 265 lasts longer between charges. And if music on the go is a must-have for you, consider the Forerunner 265 with 8 gigs of storage, or shell out extra for the Forerunner 165 music version with 4 gigs of storage. In conclusion, both the Forerunner 165 and 265 offer a plethora of features. The choice ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If you found this comparison helpful, be sure to drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, peace out.